Hello everyone, it's Darren with Madcap Toys. I'm glad to be back with you today. Today has been another, well, decent day of sales. I won't count it as really good, but I can't count it as really bad because we had sales firing off on two of our sites, eBay and Poshmark, which is good. And I'm going to tell some of you guys that are fellow resellers out there, because we have had a few comments back and forth in the private messaging area. Part of the reason we push the eBay sales, and if a guy has something to say, if a site's not selling or making sales, part of the reason why we push the eBay sales and say eBay's not making sales or eBay sales are down, and we don't say it so much about Mercury, or we don't say it so much about Poshmark, or we don't even say it about Whatnot, is because, guys, we're not paying for those sites. So if you're paying for a site, you want that site to perform to get money back. Right. Now, in another position that we've had a few discussions about in a comment or so, we had one person say, hey, sales never take place with toys in the summer. And first off, that shows you really don't know anything about selling, because yes, they do. They're not just birthday gifts, there are collectors. And a lot of collectors want toys. But we sell in this store, and I know most of you guys out there that are fellow eBay sellers, Mercury sellers, Poshmark sellers, and Whatnot sellers, you sell more than one item, because you pretty much have to have about everything out there to make consistent sales, because you don't want to sell, let's say, just happy birthday cards. You may want to sell Christmas cards or candles or something of that nature, so that you can be where you are able to offer more items to more folks. But anyway, guys, we've had a pretty good day. We've had 10 items that are going out. Not a great day, but a good day for what's been going on lately. Hopefully it keeps picking up. For you guys that sales are really bad, I'm so sorry for you, and I hope they pick up real soon for you. You guys are doing great out there, according to a few of you. Hey, I'm glad to hear it. Thank you for the info. Keep giving us the info, what's happening in your store and in your world, as it was, in our comments below. It means a lot to us. Kathy, are you ready?
I think I am.
All right, come on, babe.
Hey guys, happy. You're going to see this on Wednesday. This is Kathy from Madcap Toys. We are back in the toy barn. I hope you are doing fantastic and you're doing well and all that good stuff. So just repeating what Darren said for a couple of seconds, 10 items on eBay and Poshmark, and we're going to start off with Poshmark. How about that? So got a sale on Poshmark. I love these pants. I know a lot of the ladies love the pants too. If you've seen my previous videos, I have been selling these quite a bit. This came from a Target palette, and this is the Stars Above Marshmallow Knit Pants, size large, and it's going out to Lorna. Hi Lorna, for $28 plus shipping to boot. Now if you like these pants, I only have about 3 pairs left in white. There's 2 in medium and 1 in extra large, and you can actually check that out in our eBay, Mercury, and Poshmark listings. But I know the people that have been buying these have been telling me how nice and cozy they are and all of that. So these were all mitten tagged, like I said, from a pallet item, and it's going out to Lorna. Going out to you, Lorna. All right, and so now we're going to move along to some eBay items. We got this really nice gem here. This is a silver Morgan dollar. It's an 1887S Morgan dollar, extra fine to about uncirculated, and it's going out to Colin. Hi Colin, for $62.98. And so, like I have been saying in previous videos, if you're brand new to the channel, any coins that are over $50, we not only ship it sometimes priority, but also definitely with signature tracking, so we know that the buyer has received the item because of the value. All right, thanks so much for that. And I don't know if there's some 90s kids and early 2000 kids out here, but you probably watched the Cartoon Network back in the day, and you probably watched the Powerpuff Girls, right? So this is a Powerpuff Girls Bubbles figure, and this is from Spin Master, the company. I'm trying to look for a year. I don't quite see it. My eyes are a little bit bad here. But this is the Powerpuff Girls Bubbles figure. I guess you can twist her head and her eyes go back and forth, back and forth. And this is going out to Araceli for $14.99. So this is a great, not only toy, but a great collector item as well. So thank you so much for that. And then, of course, we have sold a Matchbox card. Now, this is one of our older ones. And we had mentioned that there was a little bit of a cardboard tear on the front, a little bit of yellowing in the front here. But this is one that is back, I believe, from, well, it's from 2001. So roughly 22 years old. It is the Matchbox Rescue Rookie Fire Tanker. And it's going out to Dave. Hi, Dave, for $4.98. Thank you so much for that. And next off, we have another coin. This is the 1941S Silver Mercury Dime Gem BU, and it's going out to Patty. Hi, Patty, for $6.63. So we it shows that this was 6 here, but I think we had it a little bit higher when we listed it, and we gave a little, I think, a 5% off deal for, so she took that there. So thank you so much, Patty. And then if you guys haven't seen already, if you're shopping us on eBay at least, right now there is a coupon from now until June 30th, the end of the month, 30% off all clothing, women's clothing, men's clothing, you know, loungewear, all kinds of stuff, kids clothing. And so we had somebody take advantage of that. This is the Women's Deluxe by Deer Foam Slipper size medium. And we actually got this in a pallet, and I love it because these are all bagged. That means they never were taken out of the bag and thrown on the Target shelves. These were all, you know, just still bagged, ready to go, never been, you know, seen on a shelf. This is going out to Edward for $19.99. Edward used the 30% off coupon, and I'll have Daren put it, the coupon code above my head when he edits. It's JuneBug30. So you'll see the different types of clothing, shoes, and so forth that you will be able to get 30% off. So this is really, really great. So thank you so much, Edward, for that and taking advantage of that. And not only did Edward take advantage of it, but Igor had also taken advantage of it as well. Sold another pair of shoes. What I like about this is these are sandals, so that's this time of year, it's summertime. And this is another Target pallet item. So roughly, I think we spent on this one about $2.50. But these are a new day. They're called Dee sandals. See the nice little little silver on the front right there, just silver color. Dee sandals, and they're size 9. Again, it's going out to Igor for $24.99. They also used the 30% off coupon, the JuneBug30. So thank you so much for that. Those are going out to you in the AM. And the pallet items just don't stop, guys. Pallet items have been good. We have this here. We have Lavender, and Daren had looked at it first and said, "What is that?" And I said, "This is actually a skin gel for dogs." So just looking at it, it's a calming, antioxidant rich gel used to support skin and coat health. Great to keep handy at all times for dogs. So we
is that something that stops itching?
Probably soothing, calming.
Yeah, soothing. Okay.
Like for myself, you know, I have not to go on about myself, but I have plaque psoriasis, so I have to use a lot of ointments for soothing and itching. So I'm sure dogs have. They itch, right? If you have a dog, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's something that's calming for them. It says it can be applied to itchy, irritated skin, hot spots, insect bites. So there you go. Wounds and post-surgical incisions. So this is going out to Patricia for $16.95. And as a matter of fact, this was kind of also part of the 30% off JuneBug30 coupon too. So she got a really good deal on that. So thank you so much for that. And didn't stop there, guys. We got another pallet item right here. This came from a Amazon mystery box that we got a while back. And there's a pack of 2 in here. You can't really see it because the Amazon's got their lovely little code in the front. But it is a aluminum case resistor 50 watt. I am not, a pack of 2, I am not sure what these do. So if you know, let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate that. But it's going out to Travis for $7.96. Thank you so much, Travis, for that. Really do appreciate it. And of course, in the $40 mystery box, probably price point with what was in there, probably paid about $1 or so. So that's awesome. All right, and then I'm not going to carry both of them, guys, because I have something else in my hand, a pad of paper in my hand. These are heavy. And I don't think they show a picture on the box, but I'll just interpret here. These are called, these are from a Target palette, again. And we have one set of these left. And we had to pick 2 boxes because one is each a heavy bookend piece, but it's called From Threshold. It is a pair of bookends. They're marble and wood, really, really nice. And they're a set of 2. It's going out to Nancy. Hi, Nancy, for $24.98 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Nancy. So that completes all of our 10 items that we got. One from Poshmark, one from eBay. I did a little bit something not really different. But last night, it was getting towards the end of the night before I had to get up early for my day job, and I relisted self-similar, all of that, probably about 1,100 items of our over 7,000 items. As soon as I did that, a couple of our old stock, which I call it's been on a while, started popping up and started selling. But not only that, we also had an item come up that wasn't relisted that also had spurred that. So I don't know, call it coincidence, call it maybe something that helped with that, I'm not sure. But I was happy about that for sure. And so I did that, and then I started listing new items. So it seemed like sales started to fall at that point.
Yeah, you seem to have spurred it. And I think a lot of times right now with eBay especially, it seems like if you get something that just sort of kicks the ball down the road as it was. Now, speaking of that,
come over here.
that pet thing that we just sewed.
The skin gel.
The skin gel, yeah. I've got a couple of watchers on this stuff.
Do you really?
So I've got 2 more left right now, guys. I don't know if I'm going to get it back in or not. But if you like it, now's the time to get it. I've offered a special on top of this 30% discount to the people that have liked it. Now, that's not including the discount we've already got going on various items, but that was to the likers of this item. If you...
Yeah, actually, this is part of the 30% off.
Well, yeah, but I sent a special on top
of it.
Well,
yeah. Okay, there you go.
So if you like an item, just go through the... I'm going to use the word auction, okay, but it's listing. Go through the listing, like an item. If you like something, we may send you a special offer throughout the month.
Sure. So a lot of times if someone buys something like, you know, the clothing, the shoes, etc., that's already under that promotion, after they buy it, we send them another coupon. So, you know, let's go for it. Get another item for 30% off. You know, just so if they're on a roll, you know, they're getting something. I know it sounds crazy, guys, but next month is July. What happens a lot of times in July? You see a lot of big companies, you know, do a Christmas in July type of thing. There are folks out there, including us, that start buying Christmas in July. We do. When we see good prices on different items, we do it. We put it away in the closet until Christmas time comes and get it all wrapped up and under the tree. So people do that. So that's why. So take advantage of it if you can. Look through the items through there, see what you can find. And like I said, that 30% off coupon is for you, June Bug 30. I don't have anything else. If you go ahead and like the video, if you like it, keep getting those comments to us. We love them. Hit the bell for all notifications. Each and every time we upload content, you'll be the first to know. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Madcap Toys family. We would love for you to be a part of us. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.